What's up, everybody? Southside Boy Styles here, bringing you a video today on something I made a couple of shorts on a while back, and it did pretty good, and a lot of people were interested on knowing about this. So what you're actually looking at right here is a homemade plow attached to an F-150 truck. Yeah, the body's bad, the body's shot, but this truck is a workhorse around our yards, which we have a lot of land around here. So its life job is plowing snow. But what we're going to talk about here now is this plow. So this plow is completely, everything you see here is homemade. What this plow actually is cut out from a 200-gallon oil tank. And I'll show you a picture of a similar tank just to show you what it looked like and show you how it worked. So it was cut down and made into a plow. You got the mow board down there. Everything you see, all the bracketry. Look at the springs in this thing because it's so heavy. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the big spring 6. It's attached to a massive size mount, and it has to be because of the weight in the plow, which is all operated by a 3,500-pound winch wired in to the battery and then to a switch which is on the inside of the truck. And this is the switch. I'll show you that right now. This was made and been in operation for about 25 years. Let me tell you guys, this thing have outlasted so many bot plows. It never stops. We're here in Newfoundland, Canada, where, you know, as you can see, snow is a factor, and we're narrowing down now towards the end of March, so it's not so bad, but you can still see it's quite a bit of snow. I was out actually on my quad this morning with my plow, plowing a little bit. And this one's been sitting here because, well, it wasn't a lot of snow. But just look at the way, by the way, it's my uncle who owns all of this. And he has his light bar on top for the nighttime. He has his flashing lights to let everybody know he's plowing. It's the only sole purpose of the truck right now is to be doing this. And like I said, this plow is wore out another F-150 before this one, so it's on its second vehicle now in life, and it hasn't failed. If you want to look at it and see how it's mounted up and under, as you can see, it's top welded into the chassis on the front, going into the crossbar on the bottom. As you can see, he takes it off in the summertime with his pins, and then he just has the truck, which he does everything. He doesn't stop. He burns wood, so that's what he does. So the truck itself never stops. Doesn't matter if it's winter or summer anyway. It's always doing something. He's always working with the truck, as you can see. So it's a pretty amazing machine that never quits, never breaks down. Same as the F-150 he had prior to this one. Never quits, never breaks down. And of course, it's four-wheel drive, of course. Come on, guys. But pretty amazing is the plow. And when I did the shorts, the YouTube shorts on this truck actually plowing, which I'll put a couple clips in this video to show you, it works really good. Like I said, it's never failed. Year after year after year, it never fails. Nothing ever happens to this. I mean, you got to understand, there has to be a big mount because look what it's lifting. It's lifting all this weight. Ask me the total combined weight of this and I have no idea. No idea of what it is. But it just works. And it works really well. So there you have it, guys. I did the shorts. Got a lot of views. And now I'm here showing it to you. As you can see, he has a little smiley face going on there. I guess you can see one eye, two eye. I know it's a little bit two eye with a smiley face, but anyway, it looks pretty funny. But let me tell you guys, you'll never buy a plow that'll last as long as that did. And I've seen this plow push snow higher than the actual truck, and he'd be out all hours in the night making sure that all of this is clear, because around here we have a taxi company and those cars always have to go out. So this thing is always working in the winter time. So it's quite amazing. Not always do you have to buy the brand new, very expensive equipment to get things right. Sometimes you can do it this way, save a bit of money, and it actually works a little bit better. Well, a lot better. I've seen so many plows, even this year, break, mess up. They're only made slight. Come on, guys, this is from a 200-gallon oil tank. Okay, so it's from a 200-gallon oil tank. You're not going to damage that. And the way that that's built, yeah, it might look a little rickety-rackety, but come on, does it really matter? It's serving the purpose, and serves the purpose very well. So I'm quite proud of that truck. It's really cool, and it does an excellent job. So this is just a little short video explaining this plow truck, this plow, how it was built. I kind of wish my uncle was here, but he's not. He's actually working. He could have told you a bit more about it, the process of him building it and how it went. He was telling me some things about it, but he knows a lot more about welding than what I do. And I know it was done all with a stick welder, a Lincoln stick welder. And that's how we put it all together. And as I said, this plow has worn out one F-150 already. And this has been in operation for about 25 years now, this plow. So that's quite amazing. So this setup that you see right here has been working for about 25 years. Tell me a plow that you would buy to put on a pickup truck has lasted that long. Well, this has. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave me a like down here, and if you really want, you can leave me a subscribe way over there, and I'll see you on the next one.